Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Animals World. Hello nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to go the destination for everything wild and wonderful. Today we are diving deep into the heart-stopping world of eagles attack. I am your host and I am thrilled to you have joined us for an adrenaline pumping adventure into the fierce and fascinating realm of these majestic predators. Eagles, the undisputed lords of the skies, are not just birds. They are living, breathing symbols of power and prescience. Before we witness their attacks, let's marvel at the sheer grace and strength displayed in their soaring flight. Let's marvel at the sheer grace and strength displayed in their soaring flights. These are true aerial masters, and today we explore their prowess in the art of attacks. Eagles have evolved to be epitome of aerial excellence. Their massive wingspans, keen eyesight, and talons capable of crushing bones make them the ultimate predators of open sky. Today we shall be examining their extraordinary abilities up close and personal. And there you have it, folks, a thrilling journey into the world of eagle attacks. From their breathtaking flights to the calculated precision of their strikes, eagles are truly fierce to be reckoned with. If you enjoyed this adrenaline fueled adventure, don't forget to hit that like button. Share with your fellow wildlife enthusiasts and subscribe our channel for more captivating content. Until next time, I am signing off from Animals World. Keep soaring high and stay well. Thanks for watching.